Hey, Jonathan here. Let's go ahead and create the colonnade as we are learning 3D printing basics for architecture design from ARCHICAD. Let's do it. So using the file provided, let's go ahead and move on to the third exercise. Here, what it looks like a table, it's actually a really important exercise for 3D printing. So the idea here is for you to model it and export it as an STL and do not 3D print it unless you follow my course. In any other case, it makes absolutely no sense. So let's get started with 3.1. I'm going to select these to be able to zoom in a little bit better. Now we are going to start the Morph command. Make sure that the box method is applied. We click on the first corner provided and we enter the values 2, tab 2 millimeters, enter. And then for the height, we enter 15, enter. Then we can then copy a double. And for that we go Alt Command D, which is drag or copy. We click on one of the corners and push it sideways for 20 millimeters. Then we select both of them and we go again, Alt Command D, go 20 millimeters downward, and then again Command D, and we do 20 millimeters downward. This last step, we're going to generate another morph. Starting from this corner, we move across to look for the last one. We click once and we push it upwards 2 millimeters. Now for the last step, you can either flip it or select it, drag, command, and then push it outwards. That should be it. Now we should be ready to select it on the table. We isolate with F4, and then we go to File, Save As. We choose where we want to. The format should be Stereolithography file or STL. We click Save. We assign the scale 1:1. We click Save. When finished, it should look like this. Now please, don't 3D print this without watching my course. See you in the next one.